Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Vanquis Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Vanquis Bank login. Once you make search, you'll find Vanquis Online Banking on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the official page of Vanquis Online Banking. All you have to do is log in on the online banking, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Just click here. Now, you have to click login again. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials given below and click continue to log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.